Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. In this video we will talk about and see how we can use Zomigle, and Zomigle is from the developer of the Neko Jailbreak, and we are at the official GitHub page. So you can use this to pair your newer version of WatchOS for your Apple Watch to an older version of iOS without getting you to update to the latest version. You can use this if you want to stay on a jailbroken firmware or an iOS version which is supported by Trollstore, and you can install it without a jailbreak using just Trollstore, and in turn you can fix this error iPhone out of date which you get when you try to pair a new version of WatchOS to an older version of iOS. Yes guys, you can perform this process on device without using a computer. So as you can see, I have already installed Trollstore. Trollstore installation guides are in the description, and the method shown in this video along with Zomigle and Trollstore is completely free. Now first of all, open Safari and search for Zomigle space GitHub and press enter. You'll find this very first link, which is the official one for Zomigle. Open it and it will take you to the official GitHub page for Zomigle. Scroll all the way down and you will see releases, tags, and then click on the latest version. Scroll down and you'll find this TIPA file. Just download it. Once done, you are good to go. Open it, share, and then share to Trollstore, and then install. Alright, now go back and you'll find this Zomigle app. Open it and then simply hit install pairing support, and then simply hit respring. Now after your device resprings, the process is already done and it should work right away. And if you want to remove it, it is very simple. Open the Zomigle app and then hit remove pairing support, and it is done. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.